Hello student, this is regarding the challenge that I have posed you. And the challenge is you are supposed to generate a image based on the AI image generator. And let me just tell you what you are supposed to do here. Now, just assume that I am giving you a challenge to generate the college building, and you are familiar with the college building. Now, you need to describe this college building using plain English. Now, the description that I have given over here is I have an image with a large entrance gate to the building, and the building appears to be government building. There are three floors on the building. Each floor has a balcony. Now I'm going to make it as there are two floors because three floors may be too much here, and I'll make it as two floors. Let me make it in small case. And each floor has a balcony. There is a flag post. You are familiar with that. There is a flag post in front of the building, and let me just assume that Indian flag is hosted on the flag post. The entrance is flanked by two pillars with an arc, and on the arc it is written as Dr. G. Shankar Government Women's First Grade College and PG Study Center. The sky is blue, and it is covered, and the ground is covered with sand. The image appears to be have taken during the day. Now, this is the general description that I've given. You can give still better description than this. Now, how do you generate the image? Now, the one easiest way to generate the image is to go to the Gemini. That you're familiar with that. Gemini is the engine created by the Google itself. Now you can go here and say gemini.google.com, and definitely you need to log in using your Gmail account, and I am very sure that most of you have your Gmail account with you. The other way around is you can generate the image using the Microsoft product, that is bing.com, Microsoft search engine bing.com/images.create. Now, one thing about it is you have to have the Microsoft account for this. That is, either you can have Outlook account or Hotmail account or any Microsoft based email account. And I'm pretty sure that it won't accept Google images. So this is with respect to the Microsoft, and this is free, and they are unlimited. Also, what I found is if you are going for DeepSeek or ChatGPT for that matter, both of them will not generate the images. They are not the engines that can generate images. They can generate the text for you. Okay. However, from their China, there is one other product. Now, this product is Qwen. Okay, so the website you can just search for Qwen, uh, QWEN 2.5, and this is from the Alibaba.com. So if you are not familiar with that Alibaba website, which is e-commerce website, it is from the same company, and it can generate images as well as it can generate videos. However, generation of video in India is disabled by them. If you use a VPN, and if you change your IP address to be of US, or if you using the VPN, if you put yourself to US or any other European country, this gets enabled. But as of now, it is not enabled, and it is not required for my challenge because I want you to generate images. Now, one thing about the Quen is you have to log in to the Quen either using their email ID or Google. So I'm going to just click on this one, Quen, because most of you are not familiar with the Quen. And I'm going to select continue with the Google. I will pause the video and I'll get back to you after this because I want to log in, but I don't want to disclose my email ID and the details to you. So let me pause it, and I will continue. Let me paste the code into these three websites. So I'll take it from here and Control C to copy it. And I'm going to click here and see to it that you click on this image generator because you want to generate image. Otherwise, it will generate the text for me. So I've typed it here, and I'm going to click on send image, and it will start generating it. At the same time, I will go to the Microsoft Bing, and I'm going to paste the same content, and I'm going to say create. And let me go to the Gemini, and I'm going to say imagine. So this is required. That is the engine that it is using. Just type imagine and then try it. I'm not sure whether it will just, if you just type the image, it will generate it. Sometimes you have to use the thing. Now, one thing about the Gemini is Gemini will generate the image with the restricted access. If you want to do it freely, they have the restricted access. Whereas if you want to do it very complicated, you have to click on Try Gemini Advanced. Now that is paid version. It is not for free, and you will not be able to uh, afford that price definitely for 1 day or 2 day. Now this is what it has generated. So let's look at the building. The building has 2 floors, if you notice over here, and there is an arc with the G Shankar written here, and you have the entrance gate, and there is a sand that I have told, and it has generated the image based on what I have said. Okay. Now let's go to the Microsoft over here, and Microsoft also, to a very great extent, it has generated the image, and but the image, this image is slightly ruled out option. Let's go to the one that is generated by the Quen, and you notice that Quen also tried to generate an image, and with the flag post and with the arc, and saying that Dr. G. Shankar, Government Women First Grade College and PG Study Center, and it has generated, and there is a gate here, and the description, whatever I have given, that description it has generated. Now, your challenge that you notice over here is that not to write a Python program, or to use Photoshop or anything. You have to create this prompt, generate a prompt with the more description, and generate the image. Now, I'm not going to say that I will ask you to generate the college building, but I will give you a different topic. If you can generate it, come and accept the challenge. And because I am a teacher and I have to tell you some details about it. If you search the Google, you will get many free a generator that you can do. If you, as a computer science student, you must at least know these two words. One is the Midjourney and DALI E. Microsoft actually uses a DALI E in turn for generating it. Now, if you go to the Midjourney, also you can generate it. Midjourney is one of the famous one. Okay, I'm not going to sign in and log in using this and generate it. Maybe you can pause the video and let me try it. And DALI is also there. You can generate the images using DALI E. Again, you have to log into this one. Okay, using the ChatGPT. You can log in using the, if you have the ChatGPT account, you can log in. And Midjourney also you can log in. The same story, you just log in and you will get a prompt. I will not paste your video with details over here. You will get a option to type your message, and you type the message and ask it to generate it, and it's going to generate the building for you, and you can change the description, and if it is not coming properly, you can change the description, make it more describe the, more you describe the building, better it will generate. So if you can do this, please come at today at 2 p.m. and accept the challenge. Thank you for your interest, and we will meet again maybe today afternoon. Thank you.